What's going on, everybody? Jason here, and as you guys can see, unfortunately the Evo is giving me a little bit of trouble in the startup right now. I think the battery is finally going out. I don't know when the last time it was replaced, so that's definitely on the to-do list. But other than that, I'm gonna go to the car wash, give the Evo a quick little wash, spend a few weeks, and then I'm going to swing by another junkyard in my neighborhood that was not featured in my last junkyard video. I was driving the other day and I saw some JDM Legends out there. I thought it was pretty cool, and it's actually maybe like 200-300 meters away from my house, like a little hidden gem. So I'm gonna go try to find it again and see what they have on the lot. And then I'm also gonna try to get around to doing my shift boot. I've had it for 2-3 weeks now, but the Pikachu shift boot's finally coming off, and I'll probably be giving that away in a giveaway here in the near future. So stay tuned for that, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Throw me a like, and let's go see if we can find this junkyard. All right, I think it's right down here. It's not a bad morning. It's a little overcast. At least it's not too hot. Things have been heating up here in Okinawa. It's been pretty miserable lately. All right. So I don't know if this is a personal lot. It does have a plate on it. Looks like a personal vehicle. It's a little Mazda K car. And here's a second gen MR2. It is a GTS. Look at that rust spot. This thing definitely looks like it's been gutted out. And there's something over here underneath the car cover. I can't tell exactly what it is. However, I do see a front mount intercooler. Might be a Silvia. Not too sure. It's kind of hard to tell with that evidence. And then back there we got another S15. It's got a lot of dust on it. So I don't know if these are personal owned vehicles, like I said. This one does have a Dream Run Project sticker on the back. That's one of the car dealerships I featured in my Cars for Sale video the other day. But literally my house, my neighborhood's right there. So right around the street, and you gotta love Japan. Just driving the street on my way home the other day, and I saw that S15 out of the corner of my eye, and I was like, oh, what's this? And then I saw the MR2. I definitely wanted to come back and share it with y'all. Not a whole lot to see though. Just thought it'd be kind of cool. What's up, kitty? No, 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 no. No, I don't have anything for you. All right, we're gonna head back to the Evo and go get this thing cleaned up, and then try to get the shift boot on. So y'all can say what you want about drive-through car washes, but here in Japan, they're super convenient, and with the amount of salt we get on this island, you gotta wash your car a whole bunch if you want to prevent rust. And for me personally, I've brought my GTR here numerous times. I hand washed it as often as possible, but there are some times where I just wanted to get the road grime off, and I would come here. Never ever had an issue, and I brought the Evo here a few times already, and overall it gets the car pretty clean. And once we leave here, I'll drive around to the drying station and show you the towels and the brushes and the little trash cans, everything they have for a car wash. It's not like back in the States where you just pull up, drive through, you got the blower and it barely blows off any water, and then you're driving and you have water spots and it looks like you didn't even wash your car. Not here. They've got a whole bunch of towels, so I'll show you guys that. And then here's the drying system. So the first time I was in the GTR, I saw this wall right here come down, and it was coming right at the windshield. And I was like, oh God, what'd I do? I pushed the wrong button. And it's got a sensor in it. It just clears the roof of the car. But I'm not gonna lie, I was stressing pretty hard when I saw that. I almost wanted to throw to reverse and get out of Dodge, but it ended up being okay. So all right, we're gonna head over here and get the car dried off. So as you can see, you got the vacuum. It's for your floor mats to wash them. There's another vacuum. There's the air hose over here. And here we have towels. We've got a water station, a bunch of cleaners, tire brushes, and then over here, Japan is huge into recycling. They got little recycle bins to clean out your car. There's a little washer over here. It's pretty intense, but it's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and get the Evo dried off. Not too bad. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would run your 96 Evo through a gas station car wash. I'm just curious if I'm crazy or if I'm not. I'm sure I'm going to take a little bit of heat on this. We're going to make a quick little pit stop at Family Mart, everybody's favorite convenience store. Check it out here in Japan. Clear Coca-Cola. There's some Monster for you. You've got Family Mart, and then another one called Lawson's. They're both pretty much exactly the same. One has a green theme to it, and one has a blue theme to it. But there's a big debate, especially from the Americans. I don't know if the Japanese care or not, but on the American side, it's always like, oh, I prefer Lawson's over Family Mart over Lawson's, yada, yada, yada. For me, I go to Family Mart. It's the closest one to my home. And really, when I go to Lawson's, there's no pro or con to either one of them. I think it's just a matter of convenience. Whatever one you see that's closest, just go to it. I'm not going to go out of my way to go one or the other. So that's the Family Mart Lawson's debate. But on a good note, if you're ever in Tokyo or if you ever come to Okinawa and you see a Family Mart or Lawson's, just know you can get everything you need there. Like when I was in Tokyo last time, I probably ate there for breakfast every day. They've got coffees, a bunch of like baked goods. They got full meals with a microwave in the background. They even have sushi. So I have eaten convenience store sushi and I've lived to tell the tale. So just keep that in mind if you're ever in Tokyo. Lawson's Family Mart will become your best friend. So that's my 2 cents on that. We're gonna head back to the house and see if we can get old Pikachu off. So we're gonna go from this to this. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll post a link below. And installation was pretty straightforward. I just had to remove a lot of the center console pieces, and then I actually had to trim maybe 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch off of the bottom of this. And I still think I could have cut a little bit more. I didn't realize how low my shift knob put this ring right here, and it kind of scrunched it all down. But overall, I mean, it's fully functional. It doesn't interfere with shifting at all. And it is black and red, matches the car, so I'm super happy about that. So instead of giving the shift boot away for a certain number of subscribers, yes, subscribers are awesome, but usually the underlying factor behind that is the more subscribers you have, the more viewers you have, and the more watch time your channel gets, and the more advertising that gets clicked and whatnot. It's all YouTube science. If you guys know about it, you know what I'm talking about. For me personally, I did have a monetized account for 3-4 years of having the channel. Made a little bit of money off of YouTube. It's not the intention behind this channel. It's for me personally, I like to look back and see, you know, the things I've done, places I've been, and the experiences I've had. And especially for this car being a car channel, I like seeing my cars, and hopefully I can help some fellow gearheads out there with some of the how-tos I've done and share my experiences of, you know, for example, living in Japan. You know, not everybody has that opportunity, and for me, I'm fortunate enough to live out here in this beautiful country, and I want to share those experiences with you. So with that note, and that being said, with the new YouTube policy, I think it was back in February, they came back and they said, okay, we're not going to monetize accounts that don't have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time per the last 365 days. Now, for me, Spencer, your car bro, he gave me a shout out, obviously, about his Evo. That definitely boosted my channel, so I really appreciate that, Spencer. I was close to 1,000 subscribers, but that pushed me over the threshold, so I'm green in that area. However, the 4,000 hours of watch time, so I'm still not a monetized account. Not a huge deal, but it definitely is a milestone for me, and especially the fact that I did have a monetized account and YouTube kind of ripped it away from me and said, nope, we'll reevaluate your account if you meet these benchmarks. So for me personally, the new benchmark is 4,000 hours watch time, and I checked the other day, I'm right around 3,500 hours over the past 365 days, and looking at the graphs on your analytics and everything, definitely in the upward motion, and I should be on track to hit that benchmark here hopefully in the next week or two. You guys have been really awesome, giving me a lot of support, watching my videos, sharing, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff, and I want to see this channel grow. I'm out here for a few more years, and there's going to be lots and lots of JDM content, so with the help of y'all, I really appreciate it. And for that, I'm going to give away good old Pikachu. This was Spencer's wife's shift boot. Spencer, if you're watching it, if your wife's watching it, you guys are more than welcome to participate in the giveaway, but I do want to give it away to subscribers. I don't think you're gonna have hurt feelings over it, but that's the plan behind that. And there's gonna be other things, a lot of Japanese goodies, Okinawa goodies, so I'm gonna just throw a bunch of stuff in a box and I'm gonna announce it. This isn't the official subscriber giveaway, or for me the 4,000 hour giveaway, but I will have more information coming maybe in the next week or two, and you guys definitely don't want to miss out on that. So make sure you subscribe, like, share this video, and stay tuned for your chance to win the Pikachu shift boot. I think it's pretty cool. It would look good in certain cars, but for me personally, I am a Pokemon fan. I did growing up, but Pikachu is not my favorite Pokemon. I'm more of a Charizard guy. No, I'm kidding. But anyways, that'll be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And for today's video, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys like seeing the graveyard. Let me know what you think about the car wash below, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.